Namaste, welcome to Sisreka's kitchen. Today I am making ash gourd juice. Ash gourd juice is packed with nutrients. I bought a piece of ash gourd in the local Indian stores. I am going to cut it into small pieces and remove the seeds. And I am removing the rind also. Ash gourd juice is packed with nutrients. It is full of water. It contains important minerals like iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium and zinc. It also contains vitamin C, niacin, thiamine and riboflavin. Ash gourd juice is low in calories and high in dietary fiber. So it is good for weight loss and also for diabetic people. This alkaline juice is good for liver and kidney health. Because of a high fiber content, ash gourd juice cleanses the intestines by flushing the waste out of our system and helps to grow good bacteria in the gut. I am also adding a piece of ginger. I am taking all this into my blender and adding a cup of water, blending all this together. After blending, you can strain the juice if you want, or you can drink it without straining. It is a wonderful juice with full of benefits, so enjoy the ash gourd juice. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page.